some cases, they were made just last month and they were imported from the US, Mexico, or Canada if you're lucky. And it's going to be fresh, but in most cases, it's going to be a bit older than that. So that's a huge misconception that people have around tires. And they're, again, things that are made to last. They don't degrade, they don't start decaying overnight.
But the rule of thumb in the industry is 7 years from the date of manufacture is what we tell our clients. Now, is that incorrect?
That's correct, but our guarantee is 36 months.
Okay.
So 36 months and newer, that we're, if you receive a tire that is 38 months, we're going to change it.
Okay.
We try to do a bit better than what manufacturers recommend. Some of them maintain this uncertainty to some extent, but most of them say a tire is good to sell from up to 5 years from date of manufacturing, and then you can use it for 5 years. So once you install your tires, you can use it for 5 years. After that, you need to inspect it to make sure there's no micro cracks, etc.
Right.
But so overall, the tire can be 10 years old, and you can still use it if it's a good quality tire.
And from the shop's perspective, we have a lot of clients that do local driving. They're seniors. They go to church. They go to the grocery store. They go visit the grandkids. They go home. Their tires are 10 years old. We always mark it in yellow on our inspection report to say, hey, your tires are expired, but they're not taking it on the highway driving to Montreal. Because if they were, then it'd be a bigger concern that you've got expired tires that have the potential of a rupture. So, but it makes sense that you follow the DOT. So if you could describe the Black Circle's business model in one word, but it had to be a movie title, Martin. You started this from ground zero, right? There are other Black Circles in the world, right?
Yeah, correct.
It started in England, I believe?
In England, in Italy, there was one in Egypt, there was one in Thailand, and stuff like that. But to be honest, we're the only one right now who has such a success.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So what would be the movie title?
It would have to be 2 words.
Okay.
Keep on rolling.
Okay.
That's 3.
That's
Oh,
3.
that's 3, sorry.
What's the funniest or strangest customer story that you've had since launching in Canada?
We joke around with our team sometimes when we have weird cases. We talked about some customers that put entry-level tires on very expensive vehicles, Ferraris or Rolls-Royce. But I think some of the best ones we've had is because again, it's a product that not a lot of people are interested in, right? And misconceptions. So we had a customer that 1 year she bought wheels and tires from us, winter tires, and steel wheels for the winter. She came back the next year, which is great, but she told us, "Can you sell me some that I can keep this time, please?" Because they thought it was a disposable tire.
Oh my God!
Yeah. So we told her, "Look, you could have kept them. We're going to give you a discount. We're going to help with your purchase, but keep them next time."
Wow.
This happened. Yeah.
And we had another story one time. Obviously, sometimes tires are going to 4 years.
Yes.
And there's a sticker on it, and when they go to the let's say the FedEx or the Printer, the sticker came out, and one person sent us a photo. Says, "I thought I ordered tires," and he received a carpet because the sticker
went on the carpet. Oh, jeez.
He received a carpet.
Oh no.
So there's all kinds of stories like that we could, but it's part of the thing.
And your business is based solely on relying on distribution from other companies and product coming in from other companies.
Yeah, in Canada, there's how it works is the manufacturer obviously they have an office in Canada and stuff like that, but the importator or it's the distributor that import the tires and they use their warehouse to be able to ship. So how does it work is every distributor, there's about hundreds of warehouses across Canada. So we're tapped into real time to all of the inventory. So when you see it on our site, it's available. So that's how we work. And usually when a person is buying online, automatically send the order to the distributor. The distributor ships the order.
And we try to, based on their location, the customer's location, we try to optimize for the cheapest price and the cheapest delivery fees, if any. Most of the time it's free delivery, but if any, it's because we had to get the tires in another province. So we try to optimize as much as possible based on all the warehouses and distributors we have access to.
So have the tire and the user as close as possible.
Yeah.
So saving on shipping fees.
And when, I mean, you are in every province and territory in Canada. So when you're shipping to the Yukon, right, to Nunavut, you do.
Yeah, of course. We did it in the past, but the thing is obviously those people are remote. Sometimes tires need to fly out.
I meant to say,
So-
there must
so-
be a huge cost with that.
Yeah, usually it stop at our in our system, and then we have to call the customer. And sometimes sending 4 tires to Nunavut costs $600. But
Wow.
they're used to that, and they say, okay, but I don't need. But a good thing is having those people going on Black Circle. They have access to 50+ brands, so they have more choice and stuff like. And we offer those opportunities.
And you basically cover almost all tire brands. Like, I mean, you've got a wide selection.
Yeah.
Your main ones though would be Michelin.
Michelin, Bridgestone, Goodyear,
Pirelli.
Yokohama, Pirelli, you name it.
Yeah.
It's a lot. It's a lot of brands. Most of them we have on the website. Actually, all of the well-established brands are on the website, and some more entry-level brands as well to offer different price points. But most of them are on the website. Yeah.
It's amazing because a lot of our customers that when you tell them that they need tires, they want the cheapest tire. Do you come across that?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Like they just want the cheapest, which is why you come into play. When I'm trying to compete before you came along, we would try to compete with the local shops, and we're all getting it from the same suppliers in town.